Pour the blended cocoa beans into large revolving roasters, which get extremely hot. Toasty in here, isn't it? Next, we quickly cool the beans and feed them. Inside each shell are tiny pieces called cocoa nibs. A first friend of mine is leading us ahead to
Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweet milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. At the mixture cups, it begins to form delicious little patterns that we call chocolate crumbs.
Hershey's authenticity. Your
We dry the chocolate crumb into a coarse powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed out earlier and add a dash of vanilla. Rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step in the process.
Transform refined crumb into milk chocolate. The conching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing the rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until it reaches the silky liquid texture of milk chocolate.
Then we send them all through cocoa tiles that solidify the chocolate. Delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate, special dark.
That's so sweet!
And I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, thank you everyone.
Everybody say Hershey's. 2, 1, Hershey's.
Every piece of Hershey's goodness.
Come visit us again soon!
Please remain seated until the door opens and watch your step onto the moving platform. And enjoy the rest of your day here at Hershey's Chocolate World. So long, everyone.
Thanks for coming.
Bye-bye!